Yet another wall garden here, pagodas in the distance with the sound of water in a feature just behind us. Central pool with a bit of architectural fountain on the top. Gravel garden really, with troughs and plantings, but it's on a multi-level design. Let's go and have a closer look and see what they've got planted in here. Alpines in stone, troughs with a euphorbia, I think just self-seeded in the foreground. Some of the real pops of colour are actually native wildflowers like this campion. Beautiful dark pink variety. Little clump of thrift just nestling in this border under what looks like going to be quite a dominant rose above it. Catmint behind, small leaf variety. And then real blasts of colour with this gold yellow iris. Very short-lived pop of colour, probably only for a fortnight, but adding real character to this planting. Well, water always adds an additional dimension to any garden here, with carp, goldfish enjoying and basking in the sun. Wires all around this pool, as you can see in the foreground, just to try and keep the herons from having a lunch. And there's good cover of aquatic oxygenators in here and water lilies, so they have got some natural cover to hide in should those herons make their way to this pool. And they're bound to be attracted by those brightly coloured koi. And this single water feature's filling this whole garden with that running water, constant cascading. That and the birdsong real feature here. There's a backdrop to the beautiful plants. Perennial cornflower always mixes really well with euphorbias. Got planted here with ferns as well, just at its very peak. Alliums in the background. Lovely mixture of colours, that yellow with the two blues. And as you come around the other side, under planting, American poppies, blast of yellow and orange under that top dressing of purple. And opposite the gateway where we came in, the full vista of this wonderful, almost Italianate garden.